Most of our technical staff experience has combined over 100 years in the diesel industry. From parts department to technical service, we understand how important it is to keep you on the road and remaining profitable. We talk to customers all day, answering a number of questions to help keep their diesel engines running at peak performance. We take pride in offering the highest quality diesel engine parts and expert technical advice in the industry. By connecting with you on the phone through social media, email, and online chats, we receive a lot of questions about parts, performance, best maintenance practices. At times, it's hard to answer everyone that reaches out to us, so this month, we're focusing on you. Your questions on rebuild kits, injectors, turbos, and fuel systems for Caterpillar, Cummins, and Detroit diesel engines. Did you reach out to us with a question about your truck? Tune in this month and see if we answered it right here on HHP's YouTube channel. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.